This short guide shows how to buy shares of Sempra Energy, a utility and energy infrastructure company traded on NASDAQ under the ticker SRE. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as the example platform. After registering, you will typically verify your account with an ID and add funds to enable purchases. Open the platform search and type the ticker SRE to find Sempra Energy. Make sure you select the official Sempra Energy listing from the results. On the asset page, check the company profile and the recent price chart for context. Confirm the page displays Sempra Energy and the SRE ticker before moving on. Tap Invest, enter the amount you want to allocate, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if there are insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. For the example linked to eToro, see the description below.